if you could combine the speed of industrial-grade direct-to-garment printing with the creative power of glow-in-the-dark effect, all in one seamless workflow? At the heart of this powerhouse setup, the RICOH Ri2000 printer and the CE8000 Cutter Plotter. Let's start with the Ri2000. This isn't just another DTG printer, it's a production workhorse designed for businesses ready to scale. The game changer? Single-pass printing. Thanks to dual carriages that lay down your white underbase and color layer simultaneously, you get finished prints in a fraction of the time. With RICOH's genuine print heads delivering up to 1,200 by 1,200 dpi, you get vibrant colors, razor-sharp details, and flawless color gradations on virtually any fabric. Quick change magnetic platens and automatic table height adjustment means zero downtime between garments. You load, you print, you move on, in as little as 15 seconds per garment. Add the included ColorGate RIP software for precise color management, and you've got a printer that doesn't just keep up, it stays ahead. Now pair that speed with the CE8000 Cutter Plotter, a professional-grade vinyl cutter built for garment decoration, sign making, and beyond. What sets the CE8000 apart? High-precision cutting technology powered by an advanced digital servo motor. Intelligent blade control ensures clean, sharp edges, even on the most intricate designs. And with improved acceleration and cutting force, it handles large production volumes while maintaining consistent quality every single cut. Now imagine combining these two forces. Start with the Ri2000. Print your full color-based design in seconds with stunning detail and durability. Then layer on glow-in-the-dark vinyl cut with surgical precision by the CE8000. The result? Garments that shine in daylight and come alive after dark. Your designs look seamless. Together, the ultimate DTG plus glow-in-the-dark effect solution.
Subscribe to get latest updates about garment decorations and textile printing solutions. You can message us on WhatsApp or visit textgraph.com.